Hello there. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm hibernating from the hurricane season here in here in Curacao. Right now it's the end of October, and I'm starting to fix things. Well, I've done that all the time, of course, but now I realized one of the foot switches for the windlass actually corroded up, and they're good to have, so I'm gonna fix it. So I went to Budget Marine here and bought a new one, and I'm gonna fix the old one and have it as a spare. So the connection down below is done, and let's see what happens. This should be out or down, and it works. Let's see if I screwed up the up. Nope, worked like a charm. So now it's the worst part is still here, and it's the Zika Flex. So if I open this, I know I'm gonna have Zika Flex on all of my clothes and all over the teak deck. But hey, there's no stopping me, right? So I'll go for it. I'm still in Curacao. The hurricane season is almost over, and I'm at the dinghy dock waiting for a package. Hopefully the watermaker will arrive today. So it's a special day here. I'm super happy. So a bit over 1 hour later, and I'm still waiting, but I'm getting used to this. I don't know what it is, but they're all the same, and I'm unfortunately Swedish, so I'm always on time. But so it's supposed to have left the airport now, so within half an hour it should be here, if not traffic, and traffic on Curacao is crazy. So we'll see. Story continues. Today is the 2nd of December, and yesterday we took Alma out for a 20 nautical mile test run to a nice beach here, and everything seems to be fine. So we're making ready for departure towards Panama, and bread is on, logbook is open, and soon we're hoisting anchor. But I could have spent some more time in this bay. Actually, it's beautiful. Good morning. Right now we're outside Puerto Obaldia in Colombia. The weather is super nice, but the winds are low. But we have some current with us, so it compensates us well. The last 24 hours we only made 114 miles. But we're in no hurry. We left Curacao a day ago, and didn't really take us long to settle into this. It's lovely. Yeah, with this speed, I guess we'll be in Obaldia, Panama, Sunday, something like that. We'll see when we get closer. But yeah. And we're trying out a new thing. We do the solo sailor button too, so six hour watches during night, and it worked out very nice. You get to sleep a lot when you're off, and especially when the sea state and wind conditions are favorable like this. It's just awesome. day 3 just came to an end. It's been a slow day until 2 hours ago. The wind picked up and we're now making lovely speed with just a whisker pole on the Genoa. I haven't really checked, but I think we have 350 nautical miles left to Obaldia in Panama, and I think that's where we're headed. Actually caught a big marlin on our hook. It was way too big for us to get on board. It was, I think it was even taller than Karin. My God, it's big. We can never get that on board.
Oh, it's so powerful.
Oh, don't hurt yourself. And eventually the line broke. So after yesterday's almost catch of the mega marlin, I've made some new things here so we can start fish again. So what I did is a double wire to take the pressure, and it usually is enough. Hey birdie, how are you? You tired? He's been trying to land for a while now. Yeah, you checking us out? Just left the wind turbine be. That's dangerous.
T'es confortable?
What do you say about that? We have a third crew member.
Yeah, he was very interested with the GoPro.
Yeah. So we've actually passed the river mouth of Barranquilla, and we're around 60 miles out, 50, 60. And we're on the edge of the water on deck. We're on the edge of the current going east actually, so we can't go further in, and that's good because there is tennis shoes, logs and coconuts coming out of the river, and I guess if you go further in you have bigger debris that actually maybe could scratch or even hurt Alma, so it's nice. And wind wise I think we made a good choice. We have wind a couple of more hours before it completely dies off, and then life will slow down again. Our top speed this night was 10.4. Of course I was asleep. So it's again a lovely day. We have gotten quite many seas over us actually. It's because of our angle to the breakers, breaking waves, I guess. Making good speed right now, and we have 178 or so to Obaldia in Panama. Nautical miles left to go. Sorry. Yeah, it's warm, and there's a bread in the oven, ready in around 40 minutes. So I'm just having some time reading. I strongly believe it's day 5, but I'm not really sure. We've made 534 miles so far from Curacao, and we've got 104 left to Panama. The speed is good now. We're making around 5 to 4 knots, and we have 2 to 3 meters swell. It's really nice sailing. Wind from behind, of course. We have to take it slow because we really don't want to enter Obaldia at night. So this pace is good. If we can hold this up, we'll be there at, let's say, 8 or 9 tomorrow morning. And that's perfect for a check-in. I heard it takes some time in Panama. Karin is sleeping. She had a good watch. She saw lots of thunder during her watch on both sides, on the Colombian side and the Panama side. So we'll see what happens when we get there. It's not uncommon to have some thunder in this area. And I didn't bring the camera out because it was down at the nav table, but yesterday, just by sundown, we had 6 dolphins coming down and said hello. And it's a long time since I saw dolphins, and Karin too. I hope to talk to you a little bit later when she's also up. She's kind of hard to get in front of a camera, but I respect that. So for now, we have to do it like this. Lower it a little bit.
Yes.
I can grab it nicely there. Okay. And then you.
Okay, it's faster.
It was easier than we thought. Okay. That's good.
I have the sheet. I'm gonna have the sheet in.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'll be back. I think so too. Nine is good. It's a pretty
Well done.
Yes, it is.
A bit small. Yeah. Now we're salty again.
Yeah, but I think it's just wet.
No.
So let's just go down, wash our hands.
Yeah.
Yay. You want some popcorn?
Thank you.
Yeah. It's just about time to do that. I'll fix it.
Bye.
Hey guys!
Hey! Hey, hey, hey! Wow! That's very big.
Yeah.
Hey!
2 meters long, please.
Are you looking at us?
Yeah, they're peepholing us.
Yeah! Wow, the water is so clear. Oh, it did poo. Hey, we watch you.
That's the first time I think I saw a dolphin make a pee.
You've got it on camera.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. Hey!
Hey guys!
Hey! Hey! Careful, wait for me. Oh, don't show your belly.
Yeah.
Oh, they are dancing.
So we're hoisting the Q flag and the Panama courtesy flag. It's been 640, I think, almost 640 nautical miles of wonderful sailing. And now it comes to an end with a dead calm. We got about 2 hours left before we drop anchor. we'll see if there's time to check in, or we have to do it tomorrow. In a way, I hope to do it tomorrow because it would be nice to just relax, jump in the sea and cool off because it's so warm. So we're tidying up Alma. This is our first bay in Panama since we checked in. So we're just slowing down and realizing what we're actually doing and what we're up to.
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's a nice and calm day, and there's a bed in the oven on its way. It looked funny with the head. On shore.
On Panama shore.
Yeah.
Oh, we need shoes.
Yeah. And luckily we brought them, so.
Oh, look at this spider. Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. You don't walk very far.
Nice boat.
Really nice boat.